Hi everyone, here's a quick video of what I found when we went metal detecting last Friday night at a local park. So I found a few New Zealand pennies and one English penny, which is 1936, and I found some half pennies, New Zealand half pennies, lots of 2 cents and 1 cent coins. Found this is either a Chinese Japanese coin with a hole in it. It was pretty cool. I like finding different coins. And I found 2 keys to add to my key collection, and I found 2 pendants. This pendant here, the stone's a bit chipped. It's a bit of a junk pendant. And I also found this pendant here too. It's got like a bull on it, so it could be for Taurus or something. Yeah, that's pretty damaged. Both of them pretty damaged. Also found a metal button, and also it's quite interesting, a weight from scales. So it says 50 grams on it. So I knew what this was straight away because my dad's got some old scales of these. So yeah, so not too bad. Would have preferred silver or some spendable coins, but oh well, you can't win them all. So yeah, so please like this video, please subscribe to Kiwi Metal Detecting, and as always, happy hunting!